Today, we're looking at how you can show off your services using national campaigns. This is a Parkview Hotel, Hamilton's restaurant, and they're based in Wolverhampton. And obviously, what they do here is they use social media as a little shop window or a little view or gallery, if you like, into the gorgeous food that they serve in their restaurant. Now, they get much more engagement with this post here, which is actually off the back of Valentine's. Now, you could do this with literally Mother's Day, Father's Day, Easter, any of the other kind of big national events or campaigns, if you like. And using Valentine's as a hook, they show us that they're more than just a hotel by telling us what they have on offer for Valentine's in their hotel, but actually it's all about the services. So whilst the image hooks you in, they say that they can deliver, they offer a collection service. You can also obviously eat in, and then they give you the detail, and they even say that they cater for all dietary requirements. And the little bit at the end is obviously, just book now, basically, so contact us now. So it's that little call to action. So it shows us that using Valentine's as the hook, they're able to show all the different ways that you can actually purchase their service. So the image entices you in, and then this very much kind of actually drives you to go, actually, there's no excuse. I have to just go for it. So yeah, it's a really, really good way of framing your content. Now, if I was these guys, one of the things that I would want to do is look at how I could compare what I'm doing versus maybe another restaurant or hotel restaurant. So I would go into the maybe dashboard, and as you can see, you can do lots of other things here as well. You can look scheduling your content, you can monitor comments and mentions, etc. But one of the biggest things that you can do is compare your best posts with another competitor. So literally you would type in here, it might be, I don't know, the local restaurant down the road, or it might be somewhere up in, a completely different city, but somewhere that that does good social, or maybe as a direct competitor. You can add them in here, and then you can start to compare your social media stats. You can start to see what's working for your conversation. You start to see sentiment and hashtags. And then what that does is it helps give a real understanding of what's working for you, what might be working for your competitor, what's not working, might see some gaps, and it might also help you improve your social media. Now, as always, if you've got any questions at all, click on the little blue button. We'd love to help.